Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how crocodile leather is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Every crocodile hide entering this facility is meticulously inspected to ensure perfection.
We utilize advanced tools to maintain our high standards. I'll show you how we measure the thickness of these scales using this digital caliper.
Our tanning process uses specialized minerals to preserve the unique structure of the scales.
The pH level is dropping faster than expected in VAT 3.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the alkaline flow rate now.
Every batch is refined and tested for the perfect gloss and durability.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility to ensure it meets our heritage standards.
And that's how crocodile leather is made, the fast, from start to finish.